These days, your teams aren't just working from anywhere, they're crushing it from everywhere. And they're doing it with complete IT solutions from HP, Intel, and CDW. For nearly 30 years, the HP Intel CDW partnership has been committed to performance, expertise, and reliability. HP is the gold standard of innovation and design, with devices purpose-built for your toughest tasks, from displays to docking stations to essential on-the-go accessories, and the world's most secure notebook computers, like the HP ZBook Firefly 14 G10, with its Intel Core i5 1.90 GHz processor, powerful memory, and unreal display resolution. HP, Intel, and CDW can help you adapt to the new era of hybrid work. Want to deploy artificial intelligence to make your teams even more productive? HP devices are AI-enabled. Ready to transition to Windows 11? CDW can pre-configure all your HP devices. Is ESG a priority? Sustainable impact is part of HP's DNA, from climate action to human rights to digital equity. Your anytime, anywhere workers can get robust support from HP ActiveCare that helps resolve their IT issues remotely with minimal downtime, while maximizing productivity with device health monitoring for early repair detection, extending the life of your hardware. This unparalleled support is one more way HP and CDW's partnership helps you deploy comprehensive, high-performance IT solutions for wherever your teams decide to crush it next. Amazing happens when your technology makes life and work better for everyone. To learn more about comprehensive solutions from HP, Intel, and CDW, visit cdw.com/HP.